Hi everybody, this is Mary for Stampin' Camp with Mary and Mary's Stamping Happenings, and today is Simple Stamping Day. And we're gonna make another card. This one is Poppy Parade and this one is Daffodil Delight. Let's bring it up. And we're gonna do another one with a different color because I just love the colors. What we're going to be using is we are using Blossoms in Bloom stamp set. Now, I really love this Blossoms in Blooms. I got it, the bundle, mainly for the dies, these two. And we're going to be doing a card with these soon. But I wanted to try, I wasn't really set on this stamp set, but I wanted to try something with it because it's so big you can use it as a full card, at least for a note card. So I got that, and that's what we're going to be using is the Blossoms in Bloom. We're going to use Melon Mambo. We are going to use basic black for the little centers, and we're going to use Pacific Point for the saying. And all else we're going to need is we're going to need one of the Whisper White note cards, okay? So we're going to start out with Whisper White note card, and we're going to start out with inking up the Blossoms in Bloom, the large one, with the Melon Mambo. I really wish I had my stamping pads, my regular size stamping pads out instead of the small ones, small spots. But since I use small spots when I'm in the RV, I might as well get used to it. It goes a little faster if I... Okay, and then I'm going to use the stamping pad. Oh, and also what we're going to use is we're going to use a little bit of Wink of Stella. So, just going to flip this over. Mary is wonderful, Mary is wonderful, Mary is wonderful. Now, didn't do Mary is wonderful a lot. Let's try another one. I'll correct that with the Stampin' Apparatus. It's one nice thing about doing this. We should do it on the Stampin' Apparatus because then I could redo that whole thing and didn't have to. Okay. Mary is wonderful, Mary is wonderful. Sorry about the moving of the camera. There's better. Then I'm going to take the Memento. The other ones I did with crumb cake, but I like somebody suggested, thank you Nilu, that black would show up a lot better and pop the rest of the color. And then just take the Pacific Point, thinking of you. And there you go. Quick, fast, fun card. Remember to follow me on YouTube. Everything you need is listed below. I'd appreciate it if you enjoy my videos that you purchase your Stampin' Up products from me. Thanks for visiting and happy stamping. Bye-bye.